From its inception, InterSystems IRIS data platform has hosted mission-critical applications and supported a high-performance transactional model of data storage and retrieval. To support the needs of modern developers and analysts, InterSystems IRIS has also extended its analytics capabilities, allowing you to query large amounts of data and quickly perform calculations. Analytics tools are built directly into InterSystems IRIS and InterSystems IRIS for Health. As a result, you do not need a separate copy of your data when performing queries, saving both infrastructure cost and development effort. Another benefit is that analytics run with real-time data. InterSystems IRIS supports a variety of analytics tasks that fall into three main categories within the broader analytics landscape: the Information Portal, Data Workbench, and Application Hub. Information Portal activities include the creation of dashboards and reports that are used to communicate insights about data. Business-specific decision support systems are also considered part of this category. The main goal of these activities is to build business insights. The roles engaged in Information Portal activities typically include business users, such as those in leadership, subject matter experts, and business analysts, as well as more technical experts who have mastered the analytics tools for designing data models and reports. In the Data Workbench category are exploratory types of activities where technical users engage directly with data to gain insights. It's here where data products, such as curated sets of data, are created. For activities in the Data Workbench, technical users with programming experience or a familiarity with a query language like SQL are usually involved. This includes both the development or DevOps-oriented data engineers and the data scientists who tap into advanced analytics and machine learning tools to build models that describe or inform a business. The Application Hub is where insights are used to create augmented applications. With the incorporation of artificial intelligence or deployment of machine learning models, you can draw insights that will help you build smarter applications. Here we find application developers, business process architects, and other technical experts who can take the output of the other groups and fit it seamlessly into applications and workflows to make them more effective. With this analytics landscape in mind, let's see how InterSystems IRIS helps these audiences draw insights from their data. To address this broad spectrum of analytics needs, InterSystems has a two-pronged approach, offering a suite of powerful native technologies while providing support for familiar third-party tools. InterSystems supports relevant industry standards and open-source technologies, and partners with complementary software vendors. This support, on top of technologies embedded into InterSystems IRIS, combine to meet specific analytics needs. Let's look at the native analytics capabilities of InterSystems IRIS and the supported open-source tools relevant to each of the audiences mentioned previously. Built-in tools are available for Information Portal users such as managers, business analysts, and data modelers. InterSystems reports offer pixel-perfect report building and distribution, and embedded text search technology makes it easier to find what you need. InterSystems IRIS Business Intelligence is fully embedded and integrates natively with storage to deliver real-time analytics capabilities. Information Portal users can also use JDBC or ODBC to directly connect to InterSystems IRIS from market-leading business intelligence vendors. In addition, the InterSystems IRIS Adaptive Analytics add-on enables business users to design and query a single data model shared by those tools. It also keeps track of common queries and pre-aggregates data to accelerate BI queries. For the more technical audience in the Data Workbench, including data engineers and data scientists, InterSystems IRIS comes with a powerful SQL engine and optimizations for analytical querying on a larger dataset. As an extension of standard ANSI SQL, Integrated ML offers an easy-to-use set of SQL commands for building and running predictive models directly from your SQL-based applications. InterSystems IRIS also includes a homegrown natural language processing technology that is available as open source. As for open source tools, Data Workbench users can tap into data stored on InterSystems IRIS from Apache Spark. They can also leverage the InterSystems interoperability engine as an orchestrator for their machine learning process by using the open source ML toolkit. Experts in the Application Hub, such as enterprise architects, full-stack developers, and interface engineers, have access to several built-in features that don't require third-party software or external programming. For example, developers can code in the native InterSystems ObjectScript language. They also benefit from embedded Python, which allows for language flexibility and can be used to leverage analytic capabilities or create machine learning models directly in applications. In addition, The interoperability engine in InterSystems IRIS offers a low-code approach to defining and managing business processes and workflows. It comes with a broad range of connectors and protocols to tap into analytics and AI services. Developers can create workflows leveraging existing services like image or text recognition. These tools can be invoked in business logic without developing from scratch. Outside of these built-in tools, with external language servers, developers can enrich their applications by invoking custom code or by incorporating entire modules in Java, Python, R, or C#. Developers can also embed machine learning models built using third-party tools through the standard PMML runtime embedded in InterSystems IRIS. Now that you know the basics of analytics with InterSystems IRIS, find out more about each of these capabilities on the online learning website.